Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding a page to your Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Suite account. Let's get started. First, open up your Meta Business Suite or Facebook Business Manager account where you want to connect the Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into a business account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the settings icon located at the bottom left corner. Next, click on Pages in Account section. Here, you'll see a list of all the Facebook business pages already connected to your Meta Business Suite account. To connect a new Facebook page, click on Add. You'll see three choices: create a new page, claim an existing page, or request access to a page. If you're managing a Facebook page on behalf of someone else, you can request access to it by selecting Request to Share a Page. If you own the Facebook page you want to connect, select Claim an Existing Page. Enter the name or URL of the Facebook page and click Next. Review and confirm your agreement to Meta's Terms of Service and Policies. Then click Claim Page. Once the page is successfully claimed or added, you'll see it listed under your Meta Business Suite account. Now you can manage this page and add people to it as needed. I have few issues in my Business Manager, but it will show this option in your Business Manager. That's it. You've successfully connected a Facebook business page to your Meta Business Suite account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.